Hello students, and welcome to the Schoology login page. It will look blue on the left side and white on the right side with the Fairfax County Public Schools logo at the top. To get to the Schoology login page, one thing you can do is restart your computer, and Google Chrome will automatically have Schoology as one of the main pages. Another thing you can do, I'm going to click the minus here to minimize Google Chrome. One of the shortcuts that you have available on your desktop is Schoology. You'll notice a blue, white, and black S inside of a circle. This is your Schoology shortcut that you can double click to access Schoology at any time. If you're really stuck, you can also head to the Hernan Middle School website. And from here, you'll notice a Schoology shortcut. So now let's go ahead and sign in to see what Schoology looks like. The first thing to note is the different options that you have in the top here. So we have courses. These are all of the classes that you're taking this year. Groups. You might be added to these groups depending on different activities that you're taking a part of at school or in the county. Resources and tools. We're going to focus on courses today. So let's go ahead and click on courses. Within courses, you should see all of the classes that you have been assigned this school year. Let's click into one class to see what it might look like. So you'll notice that this teacher has a banner across the top of her page that gives you her name, the class that she's teaching, and the class period. She also has some helpful links here across the banner. Your teachers might also have helpful links, so it would be good to check. When I scroll down, this is where I can start to see all of the materials that my teacher has organized for me within folders. So I can click into a folder for any week and take a look at the different activities or materials that my teacher has set up for me. Along the left side in any class, I'll have access to updates. These are announcements that my teacher may have posted for me, and I can comment back on them. Grades, I can take a look at any grades that I have for assignments my teacher has given in this class. There is access to Mastery if my teacher has chosen to use that. I can see members who is also in this class with me, and Zoom. My teacher may need to use Zoom within Schoology to be able to meet online with the class. Now that we've taken a look at what one course might look like within Schoology, let's take a look at what else is available on the main page in Schoology. So along the right side, I have upcoming. So anything that has a due date or has been placed on a calendar for my courses will appear here in upcoming. So you'll notice I have access to things like assignments and calendar holidays. Whenever I click on an assignment, it will bring me directly to the assignment so that I can begin my work. Now that we've taken a look at courses, let's see what's here on the right side. So I have first the search icon. Next, I have access to different apps. This may be helpful for you to be able to take a look at things like Horizon for eCart assessments, online databases, and online textbooks. Next is the calendar icon. When I click on the calendar, this can give me a really easy view to help me see what is due when across all of my classes. Next is messaging available within Schoology. I can see messages that people have sent to me, as well as write a new message to my teachers. Next is my notifications. This is where I can see notifications based on what I have set up for my classes. And finally, my profile. So I can change any settings or information for my profile.